Thinking about starting a business in the United States? Understanding the process of LLC registration could be your key to success. Let's explore the steps, costs, and requirements for forming a limited liability company in the USA. When starting a business, you have several entity options to choose from. These include nonprofit organizations, sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, and limited liability companies, or LLCs. Each structure has its own advantages, but LLCs have become increasingly popular due to their unique benefits. LLCs offer the best of both worlds. They provide liability protection similar to corporations, shielding your personal assets from business debts and lawsuits. At the same time, they offer the tax flexibility of partnerships, allowing profits to pass through to the owner's personal tax returns. This avoids the double taxation often associated with corporations. So, how do you go about registering an LLC in the USA? The process involves several key steps. First, you'll need to choose the state where you want to form your LLC. Popular options include Delaware, Wyoming, and Nevada, known for their business-friendly laws and tax benefits. However, if you're operating locally, forming an LLC in your home state might be the most practical choice. Next, select a unique name for your LLC, ending with LLC or Limited Liability Company. You'll need to appoint a registered agent to receive legal documents on behalf of your company. Then, file your articles of organization with the state and draft an operating agreement outlining how your LLC will be managed. One crucial step is obtaining an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service. This is necessary for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. Speaking of which, keeping your personal and business finances separate is essential for maintaining the liability protection of your LLC. For foreign entrepreneurs, the good news is that you can form an LLC in the USA even if you're not a U.S. citizen or resident. However, there are additional considerations. You'll need to appoint a U.S.-based registered agent and comply with specific tax reporting requirements. Some states are more welcoming to foreign-owned businesses, so research your options carefully. When it comes to taxes, LLCs offer flexibility. By default, single-member LLCs are treated as disregarded entities, while multi-member LLCs are taxed as partnerships. However, you can elect to have your LLC taxed as a corporation if it benefits your business. This decision can have significant financial implications, so consult with a tax professional to determine the best option for your situation. The cost of forming an LLC varies by state, typically ranging from $50 to $500 in filing fees. Processing times also differ, but generally take 1 to 4 weeks. Some states offer expedited filing for an additional fee if you need to fast-track the process. In conclusion, LLC registration in the USA offers a balance of liability protection and tax benefits that make it an attractive option for many entrepreneurs. By understanding the steps involved, considering your specific needs, and seeking professional advice when necessary, you can successfully navigate the process of forming an LLC. Whether you're a U.S. resident or a foreign national, with careful planning and execution, you can establish a solid foundation for your business in the United States.